Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I created this stunning set. If you guys would like to know how, please continue watching. So we're just going to jump right into it, and I'm going to be using this eye gel beauty color called Cityscape, and I'm going to be painting the entire thumbnail with this shade, and it's just such a gorgeous gray. I really wanted to do a like spider web type of set, and I feel like I rarely see gray nail sets, so I really wanted to like make a gray nail set, and this is a freestyle. So yeah, so for the next 3 nails, I'm going to be using this other eye gel beauty color. It's like a really pretty light pink, like a sheer pink color. And for the pinky, I'm going to be going in with this black glitter shade. It's a platinum shade from the D&D DC collection. I really like this collection, you guys. I highly recommend it. If you guys watched previous videos of mine, you guys will see that I use these shades a lot. And yeah, they're just such gorgeous like glitter colors. But right after that, I went ahead and I added 2 layers to all the colors.
I wanna all night, say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night, say it. I wanna all night. Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus cloud.
Now for the ring fingernail, I am going to be ombreing that same gray shade, and I just use a sponge to do my ombre. This is the easiest technique that I personally use, and if you guys want to know in detail how I ombre my nails, I do have a full like in-depth video, and I will go ahead and link that down below.
Ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will.
For this nail, I'm going to go ahead and try to do a like black swirl. That's kind of what I was going for. So I just went ahead and laid my gel base coat, and as you guys can see, I just took my black eye gel beauty gel polish, and I just laid like little stripes down on the right on top of that base coat, and it kind of like feathers out by itself. And for the middle fingernail, I'm gonna be making a French tip nail, and this is how I like to do my French tip nails, you guys. I know in several videos I've said that I'm going to make a video in depth on how I do my French tips, and that video is still coming, you guys. I need to get to recording it. But yeah, so this is my technique. This is how I like to do it. I'm pretty sure other people probably do it this way also. This nail does not need to be perfect because I'm going to be going over it with rhinestones, so the lines don't need to be that crisp. But yeah, I'm just taking that same gray color and just creating my French tip.
Well, come through and chill. Just say you will. Well, come through and chill. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. Hello, stranger. Babe's been waiting. Just as I recall that ass is still amazing. Playing, baby. Saying, baby. Love it, shit, you know I'm crazy. So go ahead and put a drink up. I'm so glad we got to link up. Yeah, it's a taking that off of me. Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't make me wait, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill.
So I'm just going to be applying the rhinestones as I see fit. You guys could apply the rhinestones however you like. And this nail, I am adding quite a bit. I don't know why when I'm doing like extra long nails, I love to add like a lot of bling. I feel like it goes together really well. But yeah, so I'm just going to be adding quite a bit of rhinestones to this nail. And you guys, I also wanted to say, this is kind of like off topic a little bit, but I really appreciate all you guys who watch my videos. We recently reached just over 1,000 subs, and I'm so happy about that. And I'm so excited we reached that together, and I'm gonna continue making videos for you guys. You guys could let me know in the comments, you know, video ideas that you guys would like to see. The whole reason why I started this channel is because I know when I first started like making press-on nails, there wasn't too many other like press-on nail techs on YouTube. There is a few, but yeah, so a lot of the things that I learned, I hope that I could help you guys out. Like if you're trying to start a small press-on business, or if you've already been in this industry for a while, and you just, you know, like watching videos like I do, then that's cool too. I just wanted to really like, you know, hopefully help someone out. But yeah, so I'm going to continue making this content, and there's going to be a lot more nail hauls and all kinds of things like that. And yeah, the main thing is I just wanted to say that I really appreciate you guys so much for watching and taking the time to subscribe to my channel.
Hello stranger, it's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. And usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. Hello stranger, babe's been waiting. Just as I recall that ass is still amazing. Playing baby, saying baby, you love it, shit, you know I'm crazy. So go ahead and put a drink up. I'm so glad we got to link up. Yeah, it's taking that off of me. Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't make me wait, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will.
Right over that matte top coat, I'm just going to be going over it with this glossy top coat, and I'm going to be creating a spider web. I've definitely done better spider webs before. I don't know why this one came out a little bit wonky, but yeah, it was still cute, and these nails are for me anyways, so I don't mind wearing them like this. However, if they were for a client or a customer, I would definitely have done it differently. But yeah, so I just created a spider web on this nail, and I just really like the way that effect looks, like matte nails with like a glossy design on top of it. I just think that that's so like pretty. But yeah, so it's like a little spooky, but like not too much, you know. It's like a glamour spooky type of nails. But I wanted to thank you guys so much for watching this video. Let me know what other nail content you guys would like to see, or if you guys just want to see more press on nail tutorials. I'm cool with that. I love making nails. So yes, this is how it looks in low light, super pretty. But I will see you guys in my next videos. Thank you so much for watching, guys.
Come through and chill. Just say you will.